Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall IntelliJ IDEA on Windows. I will be showing 3 ways to uninstall IntelliJ IDEA on Windows. So first let us see the first method. So this is using the uninstaller of IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, so to uninstall IntelliJ IDEA using uninstaller, first go to C Program Files. Open the folder JetBrains. Click on IntelliJ IDEA folder. Go to bin. So this is the path. I will also share this path in the description. Go to Uninstaller.exe. Double click on it. This will first give you a security prompt. Click on yes. And this brings up the uninstaller. So check the box, delete IntelliJ caches, delete settings. Check these two boxes and click on uninstall. So the uninstallation has started. Okay, so the uninstallation is complete using the uninstaller of IntelliJ IDEA. Click on close. So this is one method. Okay, so there is also a second method to uninstall the IntelliJ IDEA. So now let us see the second method to uninstall IntelliJ IDEA. So this is using the Windows settings. Press Windows I to open Windows settings. This will open the Windows settings. Click on Apps on the left, then click on Installed Apps. Type in the app name IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, so this comes up. Click on the 3 dots icon. Press uninstall. Click uninstall again. This will first give you a security prompt. Click yes. After which this uninstaller will come up. Check the 2 checkboxes to delete settings and delete cache. Click on uninstall. So uninstallation has started now. Okay, so the uninstallation is completed. Click on close, and also here you can see that the app is removed from settings apps. Okay, so this is the second way you can uninstall IntelliJ IDEA via settings. So the third way to uninstall IntelliJ IDEA is via control panel. So to uninstall by control panel, press Windows R and type in control or appwiz.cpl. Press enter. So this brings up the programs and features. Here select IntelliJ IDEA and click on install. It will give a security prompt. Click yes. On the next window, select the delete checkboxes to delete the cache and settings and click on uninstall. So uninstallation has started. Okay, so the uninstallation is completed. Click on close. Okay, so the IntelliJ IDEA is removed from programs. So this is the third method to uninstall IntelliJ IDEA, which is via the control panel. So you can follow any of the 3 methods to uninstall it. Okay, post uninstallation, go to Windows Explorer, see program files and check if JetBrains is present. So if the folder is present and it is empty, you still need to delete this. So this will be cleanup post the uninstallation. So select this folder JetBrains and press delete. Continue. Okay. Next, we need to delete the local app data. Press Windows R, local app data. Type in local app data within percentage and click enter. Here, see if JetBrains folder is present. Okay, it is not present. So if it is present, delete it. Okay. Now type Windows R and type in app data within percentage. Click enter. Check if JetBrains is present here. We can see the folder is present. Enter. Okay, so just delete this folder. Okay, so now the uninstallation is complete. I have also documented the steps that we have discussed today in a reference guide, so you can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.